Hey everyone, and welcome. So, you've got your sights set on a BTech degree from SRM University. Well, you're in the right place. We're about to walk through everything, and I mean everything, you need to know for the SRMJEE 2026. Let's dive right in. So let me just ask you straight up, is SRM University on your dream college list? If you're nodding your head yes right now, then stick around, because your entire journey to getting in starts with one single, really important exam.
And that, of course, brings us to our first section. We need to understand the exam itself. Think of the SRMJEE as the front door to the university, and we're about to hand you the keys.
Okay, so first things first, what in the world is SRMJEE? Well, it stands for the SRM Joint Engineering Entrance Examination. Basically, this is the official, one and only entrance test for getting into a BTech program at SRM. It's the main hurdle you've got to clear. Now, to give you an idea of the scale we're talking about, every single year, more than 150,000 students take this exam. That is like a giant stadium packed with students, all aiming for the same goal. Yeah, it's competitive, but that's exactly what makes getting in feel so amazing. And you know what the really cool part is? You take this one exam, get one score, and that single score can open the door to so many top-tier campuses. We're talking Kattankulathur, Ramapuram, Delhi, all of them. The SRMJEE is your golden ticket.
All right, let's move on to something that is absolutely critical, the timeline. You do not want to miss a single deadline. So let's get these key dates for 2026 marked in your calendar right now.
Okay, here it is. This is your roadmap for the year ahead. The whole thing kicks off in November 2025. That's when applications open up. You've got until April 2026 to get everything submitted. And then the main event. The exam happens in two phases, one in May and another in June. Knowing this timeline helps you plan everything out and avoid any of that last-minute stress. So now that you know the when, let's talk about the how. This next part is your super simple step-by-step guide to just nailing the application. And trust me, it's probably more straightforward than you think.
See? It really just boils down to 3 simple steps. First, you hop on the official SRM website and register. Easy enough. Second, you upload your documents, and we'll get to which ones in a second. And third, you pay the application fee online. That's it. Register, upload, pay. Done.
And to make that upload step a total breeze, here is your checklist. You're going to need a recent photo, a scan of your signature, your 10th and 12th grade mark sheets, and some valid ID. Just get these things scanned and ready to go beforehand, and you will fly through the application. All right, we've covered all the things you should do. Now for a quick but really important word of caution. Let's talk about the common mistakes that can get an application tossed out. So you'll want to pay close attention here. I really want this to sink in. Even small mistakes can lead to rejection. This isn't meant to scare you, not at all. It's just to highlight how important it is to be careful. All your hard work studying deserves an application that's just as perfect. So what's the golden rule? It's simple. Double check everything. Before you hit that final submit button, check your name again. Check your grades. Make sure the files you uploaded are clear and correct. Trust me, a few extra minutes here can make all the difference. Okay, enough of the serious stuff, the dates, the documents, the details. Let's switch gears and focus on the prize. Why are we even going through all of this? This section is all about the incredible future you're working towards. And this number just says it all. Across all its campuses, SRM has more than 7,000 BTech seats up for grabs. That's a huge number of opportunities. It just goes to show you that even though it's competitive, the possibility is very, very real. And you're not just aiming for any old seat. You're aiming for a spot in some of the most exciting, future-proof branches of engineering out there. I'm talking computer science, of course, but also cutting-edge fields like artificial intelligence and data science. These are the fields that are shaping our future. And once you're in, the benefits are just massive. You get access to world-class labs and infrastructure, incredible placement support to help you land your dream job, and even tie-ups with universities all over the world. This isn't just about getting a degree, it's about launching your career. So there you have it. We've covered the what, the when, the how, and the why. We've seen the incredible prize that's waiting at the finish line. The only question left is the one you see right here. Are you ready to take that first step? Your amazing engineering career is literally waiting for you. Good luck.